Hey guys, welcome back to the Collective Movements. So today's gonna be a little different. I went out to go hang out with my friend Brennan, the red Power Ranger for Dino Charge, and we were doing some stuff and we kind of just filmed about it. My camera died, so this is what we got. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys are new here, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. Enjoy the video. Where you going? Hey, hey, where you going? That's not good enough. I need to know where you're going. Oh, okay, thanks. What aisle are you going? Figure it out. What are you doing with your life, man? You're literally throwing your whole life away. You don't even know what aisle you're going into, man. Shame on you. Shame on you. Anyway, sorry, Rudy.
Okay.
Versus, actually, he's gonna screw me up.
Hey, it's screwing me up too. Yay!
Oh gosh. I don't know how to not flip. I guess like
Pretend there's a thing and you're rolling over it. Oh no.
I don't know. If I versus like that, it's like barrel rolling.
So the other way is better.
I prefer it.
Okay.
And then you can do things like side flip precisions.
From that way or barrel rolling?
The flip.
So mine is good, like I have it, or should I work on? Do I need to lean forward more? Or?
Nah. I like it. It's just repetition, and then if there's things that you want with it, like you want it to look a specific way, that's the nitty-gritty that you can work on. But as far as like the base of the side flip, I like it.
Can I see one more? Just for see your head goes. Your head snaps around.
So I go up and I look, and then as I tuck, I spot.
I don't spot it.
Yay! We're gonna get this footage back, and we're like, what are they doing?
Oh, you stood up and it's like, oh,
Dang it! It's out there. That's great.
really?
Yep. I mean, I don't know what it is that you're trying to fix with it.
I want to be able to do them outside and flip over things. Like, I feel like I don't, like, on trampoline, sure I can do it.
Yeah.
But, you know, like the whole boom, see someone and then flip over them on the ground or
Do one more.
whatever version of a side flip enables me to do that clean.
That will absolutely get you to do it. Have you tried it?
I get scared of things.
It's like, Brennan, I want to work on my handstand press. You're cool doing. How many handstand presses have you done? Not enough to be able to do a handstand press. Like, I haven't worked on it enough, you know?
Well, I guess it's just the mental fear of there's something I'm lacking to be able to.
Okay. I mean, we'll obviously start on trampoline. Go from that side over this line, this line here. And go over the line. And like, you don't have to start going over stuff, like physical stuff.
Yeah.
You know, you start by going over
Fake stuff.
fake stuff, like cracks in the lines or like concrete slabs, you know?
I mean, going over anything, even front flip, traveling, because I feel like to go over, I'm going to undercut my height and go into the thing versus going up and then over.
There's merit to that, but you can figure out how to snap your hips easier and faster as you get better. That was weird, right? Cool. Now try this. Instead of starting from like here per se, start from here, and then this way, as you go, you're forced to like watch that line until you're like, all right, well that's past it, and then flip. So, like, so flip. Yeah. Then make it longer. That's it. So go one more step to the right. Yeah, and you're clearing the line every time.
But would that be high? Am I high enough to clear a...
On trampoline, yeah. I mean, the only way to figure it out if you're high up on floor is to go to floor.
Okay, I'll do that later today. I COVID tested 4 times.
And it sounds like you passed because I am here.
True.
Oh, no, that was bad. Oh. I relaxed in the air. I thought I did it right. You want to take this to the floor?
Yeah, we can do that. For outside side flipping, punch, gather, or front flip take off.
Whatever's most comfortable. I know the answer is not what you want to hear. You just want to be told what to do.
All right, here's a question that you probably will have more objective answer to.
Okay.
Or the gather step again. So big step and then 2.5 steps.
Yeah.
How far apart is the big step from the 2? So the big step and then like top, or should my right foot just come like here? Or is it like?
I don't have an objective answer to that one. Imagine that you're trying to dunk a basketball or spike a volleyball. Yep. All right, now that the first one's out of the way.
Right. That one was more barrel roll.
That one did?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do another one for you. Barrel?
Oh, not barrel roll.
Was it?
Yeah.
They don't feel barrel rolly. I think I'm at a dirty hybrid if I last remember. Oh, I can see it. I understand what you're talking about.
Because that's not what.
That's not what you're doing.
No.
It's weird.
If you on the trampoline were doing more.
Inverty?
Forward, and you're here.
Maybe I'm cutting something weird. Yeah, but you're also taking off like a Webster.
Really?
Yeah. Let me see if I can invert this for you. That was barrel rolly too. I don't know what to tell you, man. Last time I saw my side flips besides today, they were inverted. So I guess something changed.
I mean, okay, if I just do a standing one.
Yeah, that was inverted. Really good. What was wrong with that? I mean, other than like the obvious, like what was wrong with that? Like, what about it?
I don't know. I feel like going all the way over yourself takes longer than just barrel rolling.
That's like trying to not get your hips over your head in a front flip because it takes longer. I mean, it just depends on how fast you do it, you know? Yeah. Like, I guess if you're like dead set on getting a barrel roll, that's something that you could actively work on, but I genuinely think there's nothing wrong with your side flip.
Okay. So it's okay to graduate from another skill.
Yeah, absolutely. You've been good to graduate to another skill. You wanna try side flipping over your sidewalk? You can hold the pad up, you can go from one end to the other.
Oh, like over.
Yeah, over.
I don't think I'd make that.
So your goal is to line up with the green, but if you happen to land halfway on the concrete, you're still safe.
This one?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Sure. So, lined up with the green, but if you happen to be here, you'll be all right.
I haven't even landed it onto that.
But you landed standing, which is way harder.
Right?
So now give that the same power you gave your standing side flip. Yeah. Yeah. All right. It is time. Do you need a spot?
Probably.
Okay. so you would have made that. I think you're just scared.
Always. Yeah.
Handstands are terrifying if you do them in the right places.
No, I'm still not scared.
What? Even if I put you at the edge of the Empire State Building, you wouldn't be scared doing
If
it.
it's windy. Yes.
Okay, it's always windy up there.
But if all the conditions are the same, it's the same.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. See? You're fine. What happened? On the landing? Like when you do your cork pop?
I don't know. Maybe, kind of. I thought I felt it maybe pop when I did one, but I thought I imagined it. Definitely popped that.
Is your knee brace on?
No,
Well, why not?
because I only put that on for quirks.
Well, it sounds like you need side flips too now.
Yeah,
Did it feel all right?
shoot. Yeah.
Does it feel like you just popped some scar tissue, or does it feel like you popped something that shouldn't have been popped?
No, it just feels like popping your shoulder or
Okay.
something, but it just doesn't happen with my knees often, so it always scares me.
Okay, but you're good. You think?
I mean, I don't think I could move it.
I don't know. I was able to move my hand after I broke it.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Just weird.
Ooh,
But I feel like it's more.
that was definitely more barrel rolling. There was no up flip at all. So what you did is kind of what you want to do for your side flips if you want to like gap something. But then the hip hop and the snap for the flip just happened. Like they did, but they were like off center time, and so it didn't work.
Normally I land.
On that one you went tunnel flippy, so you didn't side flip at all. I mean you did, but it wasn't on this axis. It was on this axis. So you did. Something like that. So you like you said I did the side flip, but I wasn't going this way. Right? That's kind of what you did.
Or should I just keep working on that stuff?
I would. Until you like have it where you're like, I'm comfortable, I don't have to think about it, I can do it wherever.
I want to be
You're
able to do
at
it
that point.
over a thing without thinking. Like, oh, there's a little object.
Then the drill for that would be this right here. What you're just doing.
Fair.
You know, because in this case, there's literally no object. You're just doing your side flip. You're just setting a start point and an end point that you have to reach.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the safest way to do it.
I mean, my side flips on the trampoline are totally different than here.
Yeah. But that's because you're comfortable on the trampoline. And you have the extra power that you need. Like I can triple full on a trampoline because it gives me the power that I need. And all I have to do is just like, all right, form. Yep, that's it.
But the standing sides are okay out here?
Yeah, your standing sides look fine. They're a little like heel-ish. You're like dragging the heels over the floor a little bit, but so on that one, you threw your shoulder back like this a little bit. Yeah. A bit. There you go. Yeah, it looks good to me. See, so the only thing that I would fix is the amount of travel that you have, and that's coming from your shoulder drop right there.
Okay. So, keep it up higher for longer use? Or what?
Yeah, and then your hips, try to just pop them straight up. Don't let them follow your shoulders. So let me do it. Let me turn it some so you can see it. See how I have a little less travel in you?
I mean, it feels like this arm is trying to hit this hip and this hip is trying to dodge it. Push it the other way. I don't really feel like the opposite. Rotating more while you do it.
Yeah, the drop.
Yeah.
Makes sense. That's definitely what you're doing.
So you want me to push.
Mm-hmm. Like if we were standing next to each other and you do like this thing.
Alright. So is it up? Does it look like you went up and then in the air?
I try to like curl into myself because I'm trying to stay in the same spot. So as I go, I kind of jump a little out and then I pull in underneath myself. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So I would go
Yeah.
power in the hip.
It's all in the hips.
Yeah, because I'm just going.
And that's all we got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm hoping to produce a bit more quality content in the future. We are planning out some stuff. We're gonna be releasing more than one video a week for you guys. We're just experiencing some technical difficulties in the editing 360 footage world. So anyways, once again, be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and let us know if there's any videos that you want to see down below, whether it's a new parkour vlog or a specific tutorial that you want. So happy Saturday and train safe.